How I got 100 plus million views on social media, and it's probably way more than that because I've had loads of clients who have got to 100k followers each and everything like that. But for myself, I've got around 100 million plus views because I had a TikTok account which was getting 10 million views a month. I had 22k followers, not on a high follower side, but it was getting a lot of views every single month. And I've got my new accounts that I post on and everything like that. So I've got millions of views on hundreds of millions of views on social media. And in this video, I want to go through the 4 main lessons I've learned from that and all the trials and tribulations I've actually been through to actually get to that amount of views and everything like that, because it's not been an easy journey. And right now I'm in the stages of the journey where it's like, I need to find what really works, then go all in on it, okay? Because I've started new accounts, okay? So let's get straight into it. How I got 100 plus million views on social media, and these are 4 key lessons, okay? So number 1, viral equals dopamine. And you're probably like, what do I mean by this? Well, when I had my TikTok account, which I was getting 10 million views a month on, I struggled for a year to get above 1,000 views. And then one time I hit 1 million views, and overnight it went to 1 million views. And what happened is it all just kept on compounding. I kept on getting views, kept on getting views. It's so easy to get views when you have followers, by the way, guys. But I kept on getting views. And then I was just like, so what? I've got views. What's going on? Like, I'm not making that much money from it. So views is just dopamine, okay? It's very good to look at your screen and refresh and see loads of likes, loads of followers and everything like that. But if you're a business owner and if you're a lawyer, you want clients, you want leads, okay? So what you need to realize is views do not always equate to cash, okay? It's good to get views, it's good to get more attention onto you and your offer, but it does not always equate to money, okay? And that's what you really need to realize. Viral is just a dopamine hit, okay? It's okay to not go viral, guys. If you're helping your ideal client, it's okay to not go viral. You need to realize that it's not everything, it's just a big dopamine hit that you get used to over time. Like anything you do, you get used to it. Even when you start making a load of money, you're gonna get used to that eventually, okay? So it's just a dopamine hit, and that's what you truly need to realize. So that's number 1, viral equals dopamine. So basically, don't focus on going viral too much, and don't be stressed when you don't go viral, okay? So number 2 is controversy is king. Every time I've gone viral, I have been controversial, okay? And that's for me, my clients and everything like that. And I want to touch on this quite a bit, because there's 2 types of controversy you can use. There's either niche controversy and there's broad controversy. And I want you to really focus in on niche controversy, because if you're broad, you're going to go to random people, and random people aren't interested in your services or in your coaching or in your online business in general. And what you truly want is leads and more clients, okay? So you can't just focus in on being broad, because then you're going to go to randoms, as I said. So focus on being niche controversial, and this works super well because it gets engagement, okay? The more controversial you are, the more engagement you're going to get, which means your videos are going to be pushed out to more people. Where I like to be controversial is really at the start of the video, because the hook's the most important part of the video. Is going to hook the audience in, and you need to hook the audience in so they actually want to watch your video longer, okay? So controversy is king. Be controversial. Don't care about the hate. It doesn't matter as much as you think it does. Some people are going to relate, some people won't. Some people will realize it's a joke, and that's most important, okay? But so be controversial. Number 3 is focus on watch time and engagement. There's a lot of metrics that people get focused on when it comes to content, especially short form content, but the only 2 is really important, is watch time and engagement. The longer people watch your videos for, the more they're going to get pushed out. The more people engage with your videos, the more people Instagram, TikTok, or wherever you're on are going to realize that people actually like your video, so it's going to be pushed out to more people, okay? So focus on watch time and engagement, okay? The biggest thing when it comes to watch time is really hyping up what you're about to reveal. So most of the time people hook people in with something that they're going to reveal. That's a good tip or trick, and most people reveal it straight away, and that's the wrong thing to do, because your watch time is going to be really low if you do that. So what you need to do instead is actually hype up the solution, okay? So hype up what you're about to reveal, explain why it's so good, explain who uses it and everything like that, and then reveal the solution towards the end. This is going to increase watch time, which means people are going to watch your videos longer, which means it's going to be pushed out to more people. And coming back to the being controversial is going to lead to comments, because it's controversial. It's going to lead to arguments in the comment section. It's going to lead to hate, and this means it's engagement, which means your videos are going to be pushed out to more people. Okay, so get as many comments as possible, as much saves, as much engagement as possible, and allow people to watch your videos longer, and this is going to be pushed, and this means your videos are going to be pushed out to more people. A good way to get people to watch longer as well is just your editing style. It engages people for longer, so make sure you have good editing within your videos, because it is really important, especially for short form. Okay, so that's number 3. Focus on watch time and engagement. Don't focus on all these other metrics. Don't focus on, oh, when do I post it, how many hashtags do I have. SEO is still important, but just make sure you focus on watch time and engagement. Make sure people want to actually watch your video longer, and make sure people actually comment on your video. Okay, that's why ManyChat's so good, because when you say at the end, comment the word keyword, people are going to comment for that free training. It leads to more engagement, which means your video is going to be pushed out. Okay, number 4 finally is every single piece of content is copied. And you're probably like, whoa, James, chill out. What do you mean by this? And I mean every content idea you see on social media is copied by someone. Okay, so all of you who struggle to come up with content ideas and don't post content because you can't come up with content ideas, just realize that every piece of content you see on social media, someone has got from someone and just added their unique spin to it. Okay, so that's what you need to realize. Every single viral, especially piece of content is taken from someone and used and just added their unique spin to it. And that's why trends exist, okay, because they're all doing the same thing, because they realize it goes viral, but they added their own unique spin to it. Okay, so realize this: every single idea on social media is copied. You can copy your favorite creator within your industry, within your niche, and add your own unique spin to it, and it's going to perform well, because that piece of content that they've done is perform well. So why won't yours? Okay, it will perform well if you follow the kind of framework that they're using, but add your own unique spin to it. And your unique spin could be your editing, it could be how you say the thing, it could be changing up a little piece of it, adding more value to it. Okay, so just really realize that every social media piece of content is copied, and this is what I've learned through, I've been in this content creation game for 4+ years. I've seen every piece of content there could be, and every piece of content is copied from somewhere. I see it at least twice, okay, because people like to use things that work, okay, and it's okay to do that. Don't feel bad about doing that, but just make sure you add your own unique spin to it, and make sure it sounds like you when you're doing it. Okay, those are the 4 key lessons I've really learned from social media, from getting over 100+ million views. The 2 main most important ones is this one that I just went through, so the 4th one, which is every social media idea is copied, because I know most people I work with and most people just really struggle with the content ideas, and I really don't know why they do that. It's not hard at all. There's multiple ways. You can even use ChatGPT. You can research your industry, look for other creators in your industry, and there's loads of other ways you can use yourself as leverage. Okay, use your expertise and just add a viral spin to it. Okay, it's really easy and it's really simple, so don't overcomplicate it. I guarantee every one of your favorite creators, they get ideas from someone else. And the second most important one really is just focusing on watch time and engagement, because if you want your videos to be seen by more people and more new people, you're going to have to focus on those 2 metrics. Okay, so I hope you got some value from this video. If you want to learn how to actually get leads and clients through your content instead of just getting views, there's 2 videos down below in the descriptions. They're for lawyers, they're for online businesses, and you can watch those free trainings, and it just runs you through the system. I like to call it the Magnify Your Content system. That will guarantee you get 15 to 30 qualified leads every single month for your online business or as a lawyer. It runs you through the system that you can start implementing, and you can get results from straight away. So go watch those 2 videos. It will be linked in the description, 2 of them. And yeah, I hope you got some value from this video. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.